How to find your car's ACV. Have you ever wondered how much your car is really worth after an accident? Understanding the actual cash value, or ACV, is key to navigating your auto insurance collision coverage. Let's break it down step by step. First, to find your car's ACV, you need to know that it reflects the amount your insurance company believes your vehicle is worth at the time of loss. This value is determined by subtracting depreciation from the replacement cost of your car. The replacement cost is what it would take to buy a similar vehicle in today's market. The process starts with a vehicle information assessment. An insurance adjuster will gather important details about your car, such as the make, model, year, mileage, and vehicle identification number. This information sets the stage for the valuation process. Next comes the condition evaluation. The adjuster will look at your car's overall state, including the interior, exterior, and mechanical aspects. They will assess how wear and tear, as well as any damage, impact its value. Then, market research kicks in. The adjuster or automated systems will compare your vehicle to recent sales of similar cars in your area. They will look at dealer pricing, auction results, and online listings to find the current market rate for a comparable vehicle. Adjustments for specific factors are also made. Local market variations, seasonal demand, and unique features of your car, like aftermarket additions, can all influence the final value. Hidden damage or your car's maintenance history may also play a role. After all this, there's a final review. Experienced adjusters will double-check the automated valuation to ensure accuracy. They may make manual adjustments if needed before finalizing the ACV. If you want to estimate your car's ACV yourself, start by finding the replacement cost for a similar vehicle. Then subtract depreciation, which considers your car's age, wear and tear, mileage, accident history, and overall condition. Keep in mind that the insurance payout based on ACV might be less than what you owe if you have a loan on the car. This is because ACV reflects the current market value, not the original purchase price or loan balance. If this is a concern, products like Guaranteed Asset Protection Insurance can help cover the difference. So, finding your car's ACV involves assessing your vehicle's specifications and condition, researching comparable vehicle sales, and applying depreciation to the replacement cost. This method helps ensure that the payout reflects your car's true market value at the time of the claim.